and welcome. This is a short video on how to record audio using Camtasia. To record audio for a podcast, open Camtasia and scroll down in the left menu till you see the button Voice Narration and click on it. This will open a small screen with a large red Start Voice Recording button. When you are ready to record, click on that button. Make sure the mute speakers is selected at the top of the small screen to avoid echo. Also, turn the sound way down. This will ensure that you get crisp, clear audio. If you record it with your sound too loud, it can end up distorted. Camtasia provides a screen to add the text of the podcast. So you can type the text of your podcast right in that window and look at it while you record. When you are finished with your recording, click the red Stop button. To export the file, scroll on up to the top where you see File and scroll down till you see the word Export. Then select Export Audio Only. And this will open up another window where you can give the audio recording a title and select where you save this MP4 audio recording. And that's it. That's how you record audio using Camtasia. Thank you.